Hey, welcome to the tutorial studio. My name's Chris, and today we are going to be looking at how to stop end users changing the name of tabs in macro-enabled workbooks. Like that. Stay tuned. So let's get straight into it. What we need to do is just write a few lines of VBA, Visual Basic for Applications code, but not in a module. So we don't need to hit Alt and F11 to bring up the VBA code interface. All we need to do is, well, first of all, let's rename the sheet. So we want, let's say this is the summary page for a report, but there are links or things in the workbook that mean if an end user was to change that summary page to, say, back to sheet 1, things would break and it wouldn't work. So let's call it summary. Now we right-click on the tab and view code, and that will bring up the VBA interface, but just for this sheet, not for the whole workbook. See, we're on this sheet 1 summary there. So what we want to do is create a private subroutine. So private sub, and then worksheet selection change by val, capital B, capital V, by val. Then we want target as range, close the parentheses, and then it should add in end sub for us. There we go. So very simple. We're going to use a simple if statement to check whether the active sheet name is what we want it to be, and if not, return it to that. So really simple. If active sheet dot name does not equal, so is not greater than or is not less than, not equals, summary. That's what we want it to be called all the time. So if it's not that, then make sure it is that. Active sheet dot name equals summary, and then we just end the if statement, and if end sub will close off the private sub. That's all we need to do. So private sub worksheet underscore selection change, open parentheses by val, target as range, close parentheses. If active sheet dot name does not equal summary, then active sheet dot name equals summary. So let's save that. And now when we go to change the name of the tab, can we change it back to sheet 1? No, we can't. Can we change it to summary with 1M? Nope, because that's not the correct. Can we change it to my sheet? Nope, can't change it to anything. So that's a nice, simple, quick way to stop end users basically to stop anybody changing the name of a tab in a macro-enabled worksheet. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it's useful. Just a quick one. If you did like the video, please give it a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There'll be lots more content coming this way this year. I hope that was useful. Take care.